Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Rumi and today I'm going to be sharing with you what I promised in my last video. I'm going to be telling you what I have been eating as my cheat meals on those cheat days. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching. So I hope all of you guys have watched my diet reviews and you know that for dinner time I have been eating either pineapples or papayas one bowl, and sometimes I really feel hungry and that is not enough. It doesn't suffice sometimes. So these are the few things which I have been eating during night time on few days, not every day. So sometimes what I like to do, I have one bowl of quinoa. So quinoa is a very good source of protein. I just heat little bit of oil in a pan, then I put some chopped onions, garlic, ginger, some veggies like carrots, beans, and broccoli, whatever you have in your house, and then I will go ahead and add like one small cup of quinoa, and then I will add like one big cup of water, and I will let it cook for say 20 to 25 minutes. And yeah, once all the water has dried out and the quinoa is fully cooked, I just go ahead and have one bowl of that. That is one thing which I like to have as my dinner on some nights. The next thing which I prefer, if I already went ahead and had my bowl of papayas or pineapples, I like to go ahead and have little bit of chocolate, like this much slice, dark chocolate. Since dark chocolate is good for your heart, it has less sugar. So yeah, I go ahead and whenever I'm craving for something sweet, I go ahead and eat like a small bite of chocolate. Next, small bite of dark chocolate. Next thing which I like to do is I soak some almonds, walnuts. You can soak any dry fruit you have, and I also like Brazil nuts, but Brazil nuts, my husband said, has huge quantities of selenium, which is not very good for your body if you eat a lot. So I would just go ahead and have like 3 to 4 probably. So yeah, that's what I do. So yeah, these three are my options which I like to go ahead and eat whenever I am craving for something extra, and those are like my cheat meals. So yeah, I would not go out and have like pizza or cold drink or anything or everything which we normally prefer. Those are not my cheat meals. These are my healthy cheat meals which I like to have, and yeah, it has really helped me to maintain my weight, and yeah, I'm quite happy with my outcome. I still have like 3 to 4 kgs more to lose, but I'm quite happy with the outcome, and I'm trying to take it slow and steady, and hopefully I will achieve my goal. But yeah, nevertheless, I'm very happy with whatever I have achieved so far, and thank you so much for your love and support, and I'm sure you guys are also continuing your weight loss journey. I would say this lockdown, this corona time has been quite a blessing to me, because when it started, when we all were in our homes locked down, I said, okay, this is the best time that we can dedicate to our bodies. So I said, okay, let me just go ahead and find what is the best exercise that all the people out there are doing, what is the best diet which I can do to lose my weight, and that's what I have been following, and I'm really happy with and I'm really happy that you guys are also trying to lose weight. You guys have been sending me lots of messages, asking me lots of questions. I'm happy to answer. And last but not the least, if you guys have not yet followed me on my socials, I will mention both my Instagram and my Facebook page in the description box below for you guys. Don't forget to check it out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time, bye bye, and have a beautiful day ahead. Bye and Happy New Year.